was the sweetest girl on every stage. She was like the queen of love. And who knows the end of this page? Her life was so tough. She was the wonder in some like it hot. This girl was a mystery. A world full of fame's what she got. A real tragedy. I know she's always in everyone's heart. She's my girl number one. I'm blind by her face, by her way, and a smile like the sun. Her name was Marilyn Monroe, a girl like a dream. The star was in sorrow, no one had seen. This Hollywood story of love, pain and glory is always on the mind. Marilyn Monroe in the world could be seen. It's raining red roses and Marilyn's dream. Talk to her friend and J.F.K. When she died in the evening sound of the rain. Her song, though I wanna be loved by you, makes all our hearts beat fast. A part of her life dream came true, and she is the best. I know she's always in everyone's